Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening the Google site and navigating to the exact page section where the link should live. Once you've selected a text box, image, or button, click the link icon in the toolbar. This is faster than removing and retyping content. Make sure you choose whether the link targets an external URL, an anchor on the page, or another site page. Once the dialog opens, paste or type the destination and confirm. That initial insertion is the critical first step. Now fine-tune how the link behaves and looks. If you selected text, adjust the visible link text so it's clear. If an image or button, check the alt text and label. Choose whether the link opens in the same tab or a new tab. Select New Tab for external sites to keep users on your site. Select Same tab for internal navigation. Use the page or anchor options for internal links. Once configured, use Preview to test the link and inspect accessibility attributes. After configuring and testing, publish your site so the link goes live. You must publish for others to see updates. Once published, click the link on the live site to confirm it navigates correctly. If it fails, reopen the editor, verify the exact URL spelling or correct anchor name, and ensure you didn't include extra spaces. Anchors must match ID exactly. If changes still don't appear, clear your browser cache or check in an incognito window. Caching often hides recent updates.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.